Jai Gurudev class. I am Abhishek Pandey. Today we discuss about evolution of a computers. Everyone knows about computer nowadays. The term computer is derived from Latin word compute, which means to calculate. Computer is not only limited to perform calculation as it can manage many different types of applications and softwares. Computer influence every field of our life today. Computers are extensively used in almost all places, for example, school, offices, hospital, bank, media, entertainment, railway, airport, etc. Computers have now become a basic need since they are required at almost every workplace because of their versatile characteristics to handle different applications at the same time. In the past, computers were very expensive and were mostly used by scientists and engineers for research work and calculation. The computer as we see today was not like this in the past. The computer when invented was very different. Over the year, hard work of many researchers kept on changing the look and working of this machine. Evolution means as technology become more advanced, machine become more faster and better design. Do you remember the telephones from years ago? They were big, heavy and difficult to use. Over the year, better technology was developed and we saw wireless phones, mobile phones and even phones that let you talk face to face via video chat. In the same way, computers have also involved in their functions as well as their looks. Computer today, like the ones you see at home or at school, are light, compact, and fast. But this was not always the case. When we talk about the history of a computer, we must start from the basic computing machines that people invented in order to help them with mathematical calculations. The first of these is the abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical counting device. It was developed in China around 300 BC. The first abacus model was generated by Li Kai-chen in China. An abacus was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Abacus was made of a wooden frame. Inside the wooden frame were rods with weights in them. The frame was divided in two parts. The topmost section is known as heaven, and heaven contained three two bits, and the lower section of abacus contained 5 bits, and lower section is known as earth. The topmost section of abacus was known as heaven and bottom section was known as earth. Napier's bone. Napier's bone in 1617 made a calculating device called Napier's bone, which could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This device consisted of rectangular rods made up of curved bones. This is Napier bones counting device. Pascaline. Pascaline, Pascal's calculator, or the first adding machine, or the first mechanical calculator. was developed in the year 1642 by the French mathematician Blaise Pascal. This was used for addition and subtraction. This device was based on the principle of gears. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. The principle used in this device paved way for development of mini mechanical calculator later. This is a Pascaline counting device, and here you can see a gear. When you pull this gear, then rotating wheels are rotated, or when you release gear, then rotating wheels were stopped. This machine was capable to adding and subtraction. Leibniz calculator. In this year 1672, Leibniz calculator was developed by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, a famous German mathematician, by improving on the Pascal's machine. Besides addition and subtraction, this device was able to do multiplication and division. It could also find square root of the numbers. This is Leibniz calculator, and it is also known as Reinach machine. And this machine was used in a speedometer of car and scooter. Thomas Arithmometer. Charles Xavier Thomas created the first successful mechanical calculator, the Thomas Arithmometer, around 1820. This device was based on Leibniz's work and could perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is arithmometer. Difference engine and analytical engine. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computers. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1832. The difference engine operates by gear, shaft, and stream. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, storage, mill, and control. These units work like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Store was used for storing the data. Mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Means control unit supervise all the units. The first is difference engine, which is used in insurance company, post office, and railway. And this is a analytical engine. Lady Augusta Ada. Lady Augusta Ada was an English mathematician and writer. She is considered as the first programmer who suggested binary data 0 and 1 stored in decimal number system. So first programmer is Lady Ada Augusta. Boolean logic. George Boole was an English mathematician. He solved mathematical problems by reducing them to a series of positive and negative answers, questions and linked with the binary system. It results in 1 for positive answers and 0 for negative answer. If answer is positive, then result is 1. If answer is negative, then result 0. This system, known as Boolean logic, became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuit. Tabulating machine. In the year 1880s, Hermann Hollerith, the American mathematician, invented the tabulating machine. It was an electrical device that rapidly stored and processed information recorded on punch cards. By punching holes into record cards, information such as gender, name could be represented. In 1890, the United States Census Bureau used punch card and sorting machine designed by Hermann Hollerith. And this machine is also used in United States in 1890s. Mark 1. The first automatic sequence controlled calculator Mark 1, capable for executing long computation automatically, was developed in 1944 by Harvard Icahn, a primary engineer in IBM. What is full form of IBM? IBM stands for International Business Machine. This is Mark 1. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. In 1946, John Moseley, American scientist, and J. Prosper Scott, American electrical engineer, together designed ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, the first general purpose electronic digital computer. It is the first digital computer. It consisted of around 18,000 vacuum tubes and performed 1,000 times faster than the Mark I. It is 1,000 times faster than the Mark I. And here 18,000 vacuum tubes were used. It was a very large computer in a size. It weighed 30 tons and consumed 150 kilowatt of power. It was 100 feet long and 10 feet tall. This computer were used in private firm, engineering research, and IBM. This is ENIAC computer, and these are vacuum tubes. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. John von Neumann worked to developing software in binary code. John Neumann, J. Prosper Eckert, and John Moseley worked together, and in 1950 is invented EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, which used binary code. EDVAC was an improved version of ENIAC. This is EDVAC computer. UNIVAC 1, Universal Automatic Computer. In 1951, J. Prosper Scott and John Mauchly also designed UNIVAC, first Universal Automatic Computer, the world's first commercial computer. It is a first commercial computer. Computer considers magnetic tape and used buffer memory. This computer was the first computer which could handle both numeric and text data. This is UNIVAC first. Thank you class. I hope you are understanding this video. Class, bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.